Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix in Instagram total comment counts not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, click on manage apps, search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, tap on storage, again tap on clear data, click on clear cache data on Instagram application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram total comment counts not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.